How about this for a rooster circus? That's all I could think was this looked like a circus vase. The flowers have got to go. They're not my jam. They're fake from the dollar store, I do believe. New with tags. Here we go. We're going to make this our own. Larissa Prodigal Pieces is back with you with another DIY mini makeover of sorts, where I'm going to add some texture to this vase, tone it down a bit, make it my own. I encourage you to sign up for my free email newsletter. It comes to you once, twice a week as I post. No sharing of your information, just sign up and join the family. All right, let's get this started. To get this ready for the layers I'm going to put on, I'm going to use rubbing alcohol to wipe this down just to get rid of any residue. You could also use a 2-to-1 water vinegar ratio. That would also do the job. I kind of like the rubbing alcohol because it dries a little faster for my purposes here. Found some little goodies, little mini magnets, a little bar of soap, and then a little clothespin. Set those aside for later, but clean it up, get it ready to go. To start with my base layer, I'm using this Mixed paint that's kind of a creamy white. You could use any color you want. I like my neutrals, keep it toned down a bit. Again, get rid of that circus rooster. Put on a coat here, I'm gonna let it cure, and then you'll see what I have next. For this next step, I've got spackling that I'm going to use my putty knife and just smear on wherever I want, actually. You could do anything with this. You could use a stencil. I have different videos so I can show you for that you can make a raised or embossed surface look. This I'm just going to putty on and then use a brush to kind of stipple it and create some texture. Okay, so my vase is cured. I'm going to take my putty knife again to just knock down those little peaks just to kind of get rid of the excess texture that's there. And then I'll be adding some different layers of paint. For this part, I'm using my light mister spray that will just kind of moisten up the surface a bit. I don't want to get that spackling too wet, but I want to be able to blend my paints. So just a very light mist. I've got 3 different colors I've listed in my blog post that I'm using that will, again, could be any variation of what you want. You could even leave it the solid white with the texture. So the idea is to have fun with it and make it your own. Well, it's as simple as that. My vase is done. Yes, it originally had faux flowers in it. I'm using faux eucalyptus again. I do intend to use some either dried or fresh botanicals when I stage this in original form, but you can see the texture there, the different colors, just kind of drawing in a little warmth. Happy with it, happy with the outcome, and I hope you are too. And I invite you to stop by my blog, prodigalpieces.com, sign up for my free email newsletter. Until next time.